Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to Max session. All of you, please take out your textbook. Take page number 131. Shopping with tables. Here we are going to learn the shopping with tables. How we will use tables while we do shopping. First question: how much do these things cost? First question is here. Some of the things are given here and price of the things are also being given. We have to find the total price. Okay. First question is 4 toffees cost dash rupees. You can see here toffees. Okay, these are the toffees and here price is also given. Rupees 2 each. That means 1 toffee cost rupees 2. Okay, so if you buy 2 toffees, 2 plus 2, 4 rupees. If you buy 3 toffees, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6 rupees. Okay, like that 1 toffee cost rupees 2. That means the price of 1 toffee is rupees 2. You are asked to find the cost of 4 toffees. You have to find out the cost of 4 toffees. Okay, that means 1 toffee cost is rupees 2. So 4 toffees how much? 4 times 2. So that is 4 into 2. 4 into 2. You want to purchase 4 toffees. So 1 toffee cost rupees 2. So 4 toffees cost 4 into 2. How much is 4 into 2? 4 into 2 is 8 rupees. So if you want to purchase 4 toffees, you have to give rupees 8. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. 3 pencil boxes cost dash rupees. So here you can see the pencil boxes. 1 pencil box costs rupees 10. 1 box of pencil. What is the cost of 1 box of pencil? Rupees 10. Like that you have to purchase 3 pencil boxes. So how much will be the total cost? 3 into 10. 3 into 10. 3 times 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10. 3 pencil boxes we are going to purchase. So 10 plus 10 plus 10. 1 pencil box 10 rupees. So 3 pencil boxes 3 into 10. 3 into 10. How much is 3 into 10? 3 into 10 is 30 rupees. So cost of 3 pencil boxes is rupees 30. Okay. Now 10 pencil boxes cost dash rupees. So you have to purchase now 10 pencil boxes. So what will be the total cost? 1 pencil box rupees 10. So 10 pencil boxes 10 times 10. Otherwise 10 into 10. So how much you will get? 100 rupees. Okay. I hope you have understood this. Let us move on to the next question. 9 balloons cost dash rupees. So you can see here balloons are there and the cost of 1 balloon is rupees 5. Each balloon cost 5 rupees. If you take any balloons, you have to pay rupees 5 for each. So you have to purchase 9 balloons. So what will be the cost of 9 balloons? That is 9 times 5. 1 balloon cost rupees 5. So how many balloons we want? 9 balloons. So 9 into, what is the cost of 1 balloon? 5. So 9 into 5. 9 times 5. How much is 9 into 5? 9 5s are 45 rupees. Okay. Take next page. 5 toys cost dash rupees. You can see the toys here. What is the cost of 1 toy given here? You can see here rupees 4 each. So cost of 1 toy is rupees 4. So how many toys you have to purchase? You have to purchase 5 toys. Otherwise you have to find the cost of 5 toys. So 5 times. How many toys are there? 5. So 5 times. What is the cost of 1 toy? 4 rupees. So 5 times 4. Otherwise 5 into 4. What is 5 into 4? 5 into 4 is 20. So 5 toys cost 20 rupees. If you want to purchase 5 toys, how much you have to pay? You have to pay 20 rupees. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. Here 7 face mask cost dash rupees. So here face mask, you can see the face mask. What is the cost of face mask? Each face mask cost rupees 3. The cost of each face mask is rupees 3. So what is the cost of 7 face mask? 7 times 3. 7 into 3. 7 times cost of face mask is 3. So 7 times 3 is 21 rupees. So 7 3s are 21. Okay. Now next is practice time. Complete the following. You have to complete this. I know you all know the tables of from 1 to 10. You know it, so you can do it easy. First question is 2 times 7. Otherwise 2 into 7. How much is 2 into 7? 2 7s are 40. Next one, 3 times 9. 3 9s are, how much is 3 9s are? 3 9s are 27. Next one, 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36. Next one, 5 into 2. 5 times 2, you will get the answer 10. Next one, 5 times 8. 5 8s are 40. Next, 3 into 10. Otherwise, 3 times 10 is equal to 30. Next, 10 6 are 10 into 6 is equal to, answer is 60. Next, 2 times 8, the answer is 16. Then 5 times 9. How much is 5 times 9? 5 9s are 45. Then 10 into 8. 10 8s are 80. Okay, so you can complete this. Now look at the pattern and complete them. Here some patterns are given. You have to look at the pattern and you have to complete it. Okay. First one, see. 3 6 9. See, first one is 3 6 9. From this pattern, what you have understood? Anything came to your mind? Think. 3 6 9. This is the table of 3. You can see this is the table of 3. Otherwise, answer in the table of 3. This is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So you got the pattern. So first one given here is the table of 3. Okay. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So next one, what will be the answer? Next one, 3 4s are, answer is 12. And the next one, 3 5s are 15 and 3 6 are 18. So you got the answer of first question. Now moving on to the next one, 2 4 6. So this is the table of 2. You can see here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So what will be the next one? Next one is 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. Next one, 10 20 30. Which table is this? This is the table of 10. 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20 and 10 3s are 30. So what will be the rest of the answers? The rest will be 10 4s are 40, 10 5s are 50 and 10 6 are 60. Okay, so you have to write 40, 50 and 60 as answers over here. Next one, 4 8 12. Which table is this? This is the table of 4. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Next one will be 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20 and 4 6 are 24. Next one, 5 10 15. This is the table of 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So what will be the next? 5 4s are 20. Next answer will be 20. Next one, 5 5s are 25 will be the answer. Next 30 will be the answer. Next question, see. You can see here 30, 60, 90. See here, this is 3, 6, 9. Here it is given 30, 60, 90. So this is the table of 30. Here given the table of 3 and here given the table of 30. Same as 3 table, but you have to add a 0 to the answer that you got for the table 3. You can see here instead of 3, here it is 30. 1 0 added. Here instead of 6, here it is 60. That is 1 0 added. Next 9, here it is 90. Likewise 30 into 1 30, 30 into 2 60, 30 into 3 90. So what will be 30 into 4? 3 4s are 12. So 30 into 4 will be 120. You can add 1 0 to the answer because same as table of 3 for 30, but you have to add 1 0 to the answer. Okay, next one, 30 into 5 is 150. You got the answer, 3 5s are 15. So 30 into 5 is 0, one more 0 you had to add here. Then 30 into 6 is 180. You can see here 18. So here it is 180. Okay. If 0 is there in the question, there will be 0 in the answer also. Okay, for 10 into 2, 20, like that. 30 into 2, 60. So in the ones place, if there is 0, then in the ones place in the answer also there will be 0 for multiplication. Okay. So let us wind up the session for today. Thank you.